All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing today? Happy weekend to you all. So, I decided to come with this message. I decided to share something with us. We are going to scan through the fundraising of Nkere at the Fallback Republic. Reason is because I saw some of them on X. A lot of them sharing the same picture here. All right. You see this video at my background here. How many hands? A lot of hands is up, isn't it? So I said, okay, wow. So this is getting better from Fallback to Fallback Republic. Let us see how those things it looks like. You understand? Let us see how effective and how potent they are. You understand? Because it seems like everybody is now donating, isn't it? Now, not only one person, not two different screenshots. Of course, I'm going to, flash some of them on this video when the time comes. So all I want to from you now is your ear. Okay, pay attention. Let us go through it. You open your eyes and your listening ear. Just be attentive on this because sometimes we see this kind of post and many of us seem to you'll be tempted to believe that all is well and all that garbage. This is not the first time they have done this. They have done it before when they were still together with the Eggman and that team. But now they have testified these lies and propaganda, and I'm going to go through. I have done this kind of program before. Many of you that follow me here understand. But we are without wasting much of your time, we are going to go through it as it might. Now, pay attention to the hands that are here. How many? This is Nkere. All of you know Nkere. She is the one here, the first person here. So other names, BMO. That Papa who normally called me on my, not call me, comment on my video in the past. He's here, BMO. But despite his age, he do propaganda more than Okute Biafra. Even so, now is learning work from this old man. Now, everything you see here, let it not mean that I'm saying too much. Let us visit the video itself. Now, here is the video of the so-called fundraising. Like I said, we are going to, the reason why I'm sharing screen is for you to know that nothing is hidden here. We are not here to claim anything that's not existing or to make it like as if that thing exists. Now, I think this view will be okay. Let's see how it looks here. Now, with this kind of thing, with this video you're seeing here, what is the best way to bring this? Okay. Now, let us play it little by little so that because we are not going to play everything because of the time. If you start from here, this is the beginning of the whole thing. If we start from here, okay, you can see is the PM dancing. So that's the beginning. Okay, are you watching it? So let us just skip it a little bit. So now this is another Barawa introductory part of the fundraising. Now no hands is here at the beginning because they are still talking. They are still talking. Then at the minutes 28, 3 people raise hands. And let's continue. No hands. Bring it down. Okay, here you can see. You see hands. Let's continue. To compare the hands that I'm showing you there. Wait a minute. Okay. To compare the hands that I'm showing you on social media, on X, this is a live video of the program itself. The live video of that program. You can go through it, you can see. I know some of them will be insulting themselves now because I'm exposing. No, remember, you don't insult me. Remember we are friends, isn't it? Are we not friends? This is Okute BTV raising hand. The man who can make a donation. So we raise hands here. And this is the BMO. The Papa himself from beginning who came out with again the government capture your former because column never the lawyer. This is why we need to be very, very careful with anybody claiming to be anything. Look at it. Okay, the hands is still on. Look at the BTV, see raising his hand. The BMO, the hands is still on. All this while, let's go. We are still skipping it. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, this man is on from beginning as well. So 3 people hands are on 24/7 because they're not gonna tell them to the moderator who happen to be Sana Barawa. He knows them. He knows the job, the reason why they are doing what, like the reason why they are raising their hands is not to donate or anything at all. Okay. Now you can see. Okay. Some people I have so at this point, this is 1 hour 21 minutes to the program. Okay. Now they have shifted the other hands. Okay. Now let's continue. Let's continue. Now let me skip it more to compare the almost how many hands there. You can see the hands here. Now watch out. At this point, the hands up here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people. 11 people. This is 1 hour 47 minutes. Okay, let's target 2 hours and see, because some of you may say, okay, that they raise hands when you skip it. No, I'm speak. The way I skip it is just like seconds. So there's no way you raise hands and everything is done within a few seconds. Do you understand? So that's why I'm skipping it that way. Here, you can see it looks like more hands are here, but not different hands for what you know. From beginning, this iPhone user 1 hands is up 24/7, and this one is hands is up as well. These are media people. Like this woman here is one of them. Okay, this is one of them, and Mirioma, the one called Mirioma, is also one of them. Briggy, this is BRIGNY, maybe New York, is also one of them. So these are cabinet members in the Nkere Fallback Republic, literally raising their hands non-stop. You can see that here. You come back, this iPhone user 1 is still hands is still up. Then middle man hands is still up, and this one that from beginning the hands is up, the first person here. Now when you come to another shift, you understand this guy hands is still up, like I told you, middle man hands is still up at the same time. Okay, now 1 minute, this is 2 hours 6 minutes. Now let's continue. Middleman hands, the middleman is still raising hands here. So you can see that it's only 2 lines and one, sometimes one line. One line makes four is comprised of 4 people. 4 people. Then two lines make it 8. This one is not even up to 2 lines, because the one with the Sonia Barawa here, it does not make it 2 hours. That will make it one line plus. So that means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see that these guys, they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. Now I will try my best to stop at 1 hour. Let me go back to 1 hour. 1 hour 50 something minutes. I think that's one. Let's say 1 hour 50 what? I think 1 hour 54 or thereabouts. Okay, let's say 1 hour 55. Let's hear what happened here. Okay, now listen, because I want you to pay attention how these people are shameless. That's why I said they are a bunch of jokers. These guys, I don't know. When you want to copy something, to copy somebody who is well recognized, like someone that makes sense. How can these people be copying what you search? I said this in one of our live broadcasts. You remember the broadcast where I was asking that I can't remember what is the name of there's a word for that. Some people said mentor, some people said role model. Okay, and somebody actually corrected that after my program. The person messaged me and said that it's not mentor. That mentorship has to do with someone that is together with you. The person will be, a kind of, you'll be the one training the person. That's the mentorship. But role model, someone may be your role model, but without the concept of the person, yeah, which is better grammar, to be honest with you. If you look at it, it should be the role model. Now they are seeing why is such as the role model, especially those women here. Why is such as the role model, and I will prove that to you now. Because listen.
So okay.
Pay attention.
So much. So go to you.
That's when people should be 120 HMR, right?
Yeah.
And then we're up to the challenge.
Thank you, the challenge.
And don't forget that this guy here, this one here, the hands is still up. From the beginning, the hands is up. And this is 1 hour 52 minutes. Then the one called the iPhone user 1, the hands is up. And they can't call them. The Briggy NYC it should be this one, maybe Briggy New York. And this lady here, of course, the head is up. These are well-known official members of Nkere group of company. Now listen again, and the voice, what you're about to hear now, you understand what I mean by they are copying why is social, they are seeing why is social as their role model. Listen.
It's open. We continue. All right. Tutors, over to you, tutors. Your hand is up.
My sister tutors. Oh, fun. I mean, that's so fun.
Oh, no.
Hey, I mean, so
Hey.
oh, fun. I'm so fun. Oh, fun.
So you can hear Sona Barawa shouting AE. Please, that AE who own it on social media as we speak is why she's the one that always say AE. And that AE is not something like if truly you have some senses, like you have some cells in your brain, you shouldn't use that AE, because that is what white children normally use. And white children don't represent anything good. But being that Sona Barawa don't care, all he cares is how to make Nkere, his master, happy, represent. This freedom you are hearing or they are talking about, they just want to free Nkere. They are agitating for Nkere's office, not for your freedom. All of them know. And even if you don't know, like some of them that are in doubt, few things that happened is enough for your brain to shift to normal position. Like if ever something, maybe one breeze like that, kick your brain somehow, your brain is no longer in the right position. With some of those things that have happened, is enough for you to rethink and reset yourself and your brain. But they don't, because it's all about once because the person giving them is the man, and best thing to do to make him happy. Once he feel contented with his APM office, or every other thing is a joke. Now let's hear them more.
Yes.
You can hear all of them shouting AE. The tutors, that is the first person here. This first person here, look at it here, this one here. And I hope you are seeing my mouse. The first hands here, that's the word they call tutors. Now, he just joined to the people that raise hands. Remember, all these names here, we have it them from beginning. This guy here, this one that with the Briggy logo, iPhone user 1, and Google Pix Peso was here as well. This Highway Nova 4 was here. He had been here from the beginning. He was if you go back, you see the hands. This little woman here, her hands is up all this while. These are permanent hand raised for a reason. Okay, then the one they called Nan is just entered. The question is, why is it that they did not call the other ones to come and donate? They're waiting for a fresh person to join before anything. And they will, but they will. They actually believe that we are blind, nobody can see. Now listen, because what triggered me to come here to scan through this video is because of the post I'm seeing on X. Honestly, I don't, I hate this kind of life. We are going to go through that one. I will show you the way they are sharing it. Like I said, they are always this copy group of company. They have copied the statement of COS. It is raining here. It is raining. They are not using it. It is raining. The rain is too much. But yet you hate CS, right? You hate everything about her. She's a Fulani woman. Yet you are copying her word. You hate Adada Rama, of course, that one is justifiable. But even at that, you are copying her word as well. When are you going to bring up your own initiative, your own idea? Bring your office, you copied it. Bring your website, you copied it. Bring your Federation, you copied it. Bring lobbies, you copied it. Bring database, you copied it. Bring license office, you copied it. Where will I start and where will I end? Every ask of Nkere, what is the only new thing that Nkere and their group introduced is APM office, which is also very, very highly controversial. Yes, now because PM knows that having deputy and the representative or acting whatever is possible, but he did not do that because there's no need, because you have CS, you have chain of command, and Biafran government or Biafran liberation should not be something that is, one should start dragging about it. PM knows all he knew and have all the contact that he have, but yet he was waiting for DOS to start to do something to represent. He gave them the chance to perform until they failed and everything began to fall, to the right direction. Now let's continue. For those who know, because I'm not saying this for you to like anything or to do anything, but for the benefit of your knowledge. Now listen. They're still shouting this A. Shameless people. They're still shouting this A. Now let's go to where their ATM starts his speech. It might not be good. Now, but the audio is somehow not good. I don't know. The feedback from his mic is not friendly. But before then, they knew that the guy has joined them. They started singing like the village is a governor. Yeah, that's what happened here. Let's see. Now, this is a 3 hours, 29 minutes. You can see the hands. You can see the hands here. How many? Now, listen.
Thank you, Shanrep. Thank you. Please bring the house back, like you said. Call everybody together. Thank you. Wait, now you be landlady. House now. Relax yourself. Now you be landlady. When time reach, you go check it out. Make I collect money first, so. Thank you.
They are not singing to pave way that their Messiah is here. Ogechi, Kama. The same song that the man, released in Finland convention. Remember, he was it not when he I think when he announced that what will I tell my parents when I travel back to US. I told them that we're going to declare Biafra on 2nd of December, and you know that how many of you remember that? He sang that song there, Ogechi, Ogechi, Kama. And these guys are still maintaining that because everything is to make him happy, not to follow the normal procedure to get the freedom that actually they claim that they want. As they're singing that, the man suffers.
Maybe don't enter.
So the audio is not friendly, and I don't think we are going to continue that. But I will try my best to, even as bad as the audio is, for you to hear the voice of Nkere little, because we cannot. I don't want the video to be too boring. Like the man himself is, will bore you. Then the quality of his audio also is boring as well. So there's no need to disturb you on that. But there's something I want to say before we move forward. Don't be surprised. Don't be surprised of the people that you are seeing here that they don't raise their hands and all that. One thing that makes these people that are dragging position like Nkere, what gives them assurance is this: they look at US people who could not offer anything, they still have followership. So they believe that somehow, no matter how bad they are, they must have supporter. If devil can have supporter, why not me? That's what goes in their mind. So our people have issue with their brain and sense of reason. All of them have reason why they are following Nkere. Some of them follow, but the good thing is that few people are with them. Just few. All the rest is noise makers, very, very, very lousy people. Just like Imam Madhab and their group. Those ones, this is to tell you that they will join a meeting on a group organization, but they fail to study how what is obtainable in that organization. That's why they believe that the campaign from Nkere, that it is possible for them to form their own group and people will follow them just like that. Ask how much he's spending to still be relevant somehow in the minds of people. He spends a lot. But the real deal, the real people always focus on what they're doing, and once people see what they're doing, they will fall. They will fall, what I mean by fall, they will join them. They will switch on. It's a matter of time. And when I gave advice to USB here on my platform, some people in USB misinterpreted that and as if I am undermining the work of USB. But that's a story for another day. I'm not in for that yet. Let us go straight to what Nkere said.
Full confess. He sent a message to the rest of the world, to their friends, to everyone. He made it clear that Nkere is not a cop. So
the voice, like I said, you may not like to hear anything because the quality of the voice is very bad. So there's a part where he talked about people following Nkere are fools as this and that. But I cannot. I did not mark that part. It doesn't really matter because the audio throughout is not good. I don't know where the man is reporting.
This face because you don't because of your hatred, Gerald.
Here.
We know what to do. Our leader Martin Namdi Kanu, he preached for years, and he said he's tired of because he never know people have getting things and getting things. Prime Minister, the number one is he has posed Nigeria atrocity. He has posed on Nigeria evil. He has kept a lot of have never heard before. Tell me what kind of preaching I'm going to preach that you have never heard from the grandmas of the. You might even want to free yourself because you don't like this face, or because you don't like the name of the Nkere, because of your hatred, jealousy, and envy. Great. Let us all come together and fight and work our enemy, those that come to kill us, those that come to destroy us, those that have come to.
So that is it. We are not gonna play this one again because there's no there's no point. Okay, there's no point to continue. Now, all these things that I showed to you now, did you see any hands like this is what they're sharing on? This is part of what they're sharing. Where every hands, how many hands? 1, 2, 3, almost 3 lines. Raise their hands, and when you begin to, if you pay close attention to those hands, you can count people who happen to be member. Miriam is here. This one is here. That raise hands for almost all the minutes, all the hours of the program. And this was the Mary. I believe this Mary could be the Zana Barawa's sister. Someone of the lady, you may know her. Some of you may know her. And this BMO, this man, is another thing. These are people, and this is Nelly. You see, these are people that were known in that group. Anyway, I just want to share that with you, and give me a moment. Let me bring to you another, screenshot from them. Why I use the screenshot, why I put the screenshot at my, here on my background, is for you to see that I'm not the one that making it up. This I just decided to take a screenshot of this hands they raise for you to see that. But that is not the end. That is not the end. We also have to share this one as well. Okay, I have to bring this one for you to see, because now equal ibezia. If it's good to share it, it's good to share it. All right, so let's go through the pictures on your screen. This is what people shared, right? You can see it here. People share this these hands, that these are people, like the screenshot from the fundraising. You can see it. So the reason why I said to scan through it is for you to know, for you to see it for yourself. But when you read the caption of these people, this is Tortoise. The lady that was singing that sang there was saying, hey, this is her account. At the end of the day, she made this screenshot and posted it. And she said, the God of Biafra is at work. Shame to the devil who came as an old woman with the fake professors and doctors. This is just body shedding. I don't want to mention the name, but the people that she's talking to. You see, it is all about proving the so-called, and the thought is this woman in here that took the screenshot, she's here. Look at her. She's here now. Okay? So she joined with her colleague, and 1, 2, 3, go, let's go. They take screenshot. If you doubt me, take a very close, just take a look at some names that I know, personally I know, that they are part and parcel of these people. They know what I'm doing. Like, for example, BMO, this man here. Okay, another person is Nkere is here. Another person is Mary. Okay, another person is Miriam. Miriam, because this is not spelling of Miri. Okay, these people are gangs, and Nelly, of course. When you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you remove 6 people from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you count these 6 out, okay, you now have another 7 people. Okay, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 people. 8 people. So, but she's bragging about it, knowing fully well that people there are mainly your group. Then when you come down here, This guy is another propagandist, but I'm coming to him. Let's finish these hands that are raised here. When you see another person, he said, the rain is not stopping. It continues to rain. The rain is not stopping. It continues to rain. When you pay close attention to the screenshot as well, what you have here is Nkere again. Look at her. The 30, the woman that sang with Calabar language. Look at him. Look at her. Then BMO is down here as well. Are you getting it now? Then of course this Casimir Opara could be another well-known person. I don't know him, but I know the name. Almost all the screenshots, his name is there. Nemirioma is here again. Then Highway Nova 4 is here as well. Are you getting the point? Nelly is here as well, but yet it continues to rain. BMO is down here. Look at him here. Then the caption is telling you that it continues to rain. Then when you come down here, another person, Senator Endless and Lero, said it is still raining. Oh, shame on the accountability group. If you expect the release of our PM, you won't be doing. If you expect the release of our PM, we won't be doing what you are doing. We move airborne, senseless people. Both you and accountability are the same. The same screenshot again, taken from different people. This will tell you how many hours they intentionally raise their hands to deceive the gullible. Here again, you have Nkere. Nkere is still here. Hands is up. This tortoise, who actually made appearance there, and after singing song, she did not donate anything. She sang in Calabar language, but she take this screenshot and she made a post on X, bragging on how it's raining, how things is very massive in that camp. Nkere, she's here, which is another, and Tortoise is here, and Highway Nova 4 again is here. Then Mary, of course, is here. Nelly is here. BMO again is here. Casimir Opara is here again. So from different people. Okay, again. That is why I told you that these people are very, very, very bad. The BMO himself on X made a tweet, taking a series of screenshots, cutting and joining them, crawling them down and up to achieve, I don't know. We can see it here, different screenshot. Now let us lovely, great, and genuine sons and daughters of Biafra, as you all can see, that the Lord God Almighty Elohim of the Holy Land of Biafra has spoken, and we are stronger than ever. And God bless our able PM, His Excellency Simon Ekpa, and our able Prime Minister, His Excellency. Okay, so how many excellencies do you have? Olodorabata. How many excellencies do you have in one country, one government? How many excellencies do you want to have? Anyway, one may say His Excellency could be anybody that works in the government, but the man in the document that hold your brick, you have a president. You should address him His Excellency President Nkere. You are not proud of your document. You are not proud of your document anymore. And the same screenshot here, you can see the screenshot. Although his own different time, you can see he was crawling it. You can see the sign that he was crawling it. You can see it at the edge of this. You can see it. The four corners of this picture shows you that he was editing it. You can see crawling and posting. Now another one is here. You can see the hands as well. Nkere is here. Okay, and who again? Let's see if we can recognize another person here. Okay, this one, Shine Baby is here. I have joined them here. I've joined by the time he made this post, he take the screenshots. Okay, Tortoise, of course, she's here as well. We can't just know vowel for this screenshot. And I don't know who told them that Biafrans actually follow based on because you follow. Everybody have what they're looking for. Nkere again here, and the same woman Tortoise is here. Taking screenshots, and after screenshot the hand will go down. Okay, preparing their mind for next operation. So, my people, this is what I want to share with us. Before then, there's something I promised to flash here, which is this place. Okute Biafran TV said the same day, the same date, the Biafran spirit, Biafran is a spirit. Now, this guy brought out screenshot of PM of states. Look at it, the state of the union press briefing. And Simon Ekpa, 27th January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay, this is July, which is 7th of the month, 7th of the year. It says 27th 6 2024, 7 p.m. Biafran time. And Nkere copied that and put here. Look at it. Nkere copied that and put here and said, join the Briggy 8 p.m. live tonight, 7 p.m. Biafran time, 27th June. These people. You can see that he copied it, and this one now, this guy is a Biafran spirit at work. Even Biafran spirit will be like, no, cut me out of this, because there's nothing like that. Anyway, people, I decided to share this with us because he did expose this not lies. It's getting too much. It's very, very, very bad that some of us don't understand what these guys actually mean. When they choose to do their shenanigans, you need to also follow them so that you understand their lies. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. God bless you as you do so. Take care and bye-bye for now.